Hazvina kumira zvakanaka the first family. Panguva ine tiri kuona kuti the twin son of President Emmerson Mnangagwa panguva ino tichiona according to the footage, some of the leaked videos and pictures which are circulating on social media are involve President Emmerson Mnangagwa's daughter-in-law ekonzi panguva ino akapa his son madrugs nezvinhu zvakadaro, maaccusations acho nemarumors ari kutendera achitaura zvakasiyana siyana. Zvava zvakashoka nyika yese yeZimbabwe kuti how come the first family will be involved panhau dzemadrugs anoshamisa kudai. Zanabida masvika mudanyiko panguva ino ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tina pahenda Gerald uncle anoposta Mnangagwa's daughter-in-law Mudanyira achiti Collins Mnangagwa was recently sent to Belarus for rehabilitation after he allegedly got hooked on drugs, which the family accuses Tafire Nyika of plying him with. According to sources, she is also accused of plundering Collins' money after the drugs took effect, using it to buy several houses around Harare. First Lady Uzilia Mnangagwa personally demanded her arrest, although it is unclear if detectives acted on her information this week. She has reportedly vowed to repossess several houses which Tafire Nyika allegedly bought using her son's money and without his knowledge. Mnangagwa's daughter-in-law in court after police trucks raid. Doma developments are kuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kuti hazvina kumira zvakanaka kuti panguva ine after the Mnangagwa son sent Belarus for rehabilitation, kuonekwa kunzi his wife panguva ine anosara achishandisa his money without his knowledge kutengera dzimba zvinhu zvakadaro. This is another side of this story. This doesn't mean that this is the true story which is transpiring, but we are just updating you on the events which we are seeing the information and one up. Never message me of any more to be from the subscribe or like on the bell icon.